We're off. Oh, I love that. Ooh, wait. Forgot something.
Today's cold conditions, summery temperatures are hanging around for today. Our 8-day forecast.
I should start this by saying that I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, not right away. Oh, right away. Wow, literally got it as soon as it hit the water. Ooh, fuck. Damn it. Let's see if I can get it up. Man, as soon as it hit the water, it jumped in it. There it goes. Oh, fuck. I think that's a pickerel. Maybe not. We'll see. There it goes. Oh fuck, I almost fell. That's really funny, man. Alright, let's go. Hey, oh, I got one. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a pickerel. Oh my god. It's a pickerel. Wow, it's a big one too. Fuck. Come on. Damn. On the frog. I have never. Oopsie. Relax, homeboy. Relax, homeboy. You are big. Jesus, mother. Come here, puppy. Wee. Let's get you up. Get out of here. Wow. I wonder if that's what I had gotten before. Must have been it. Wow. Ooh, did I get mine? Is that me or him? Probably him. Yeah, it's him. Yeah, it was him. Oh, that was cool. That's what it was this whole time, probably. I was wondering because he was very snipish. But we'll see. We'll keep throwing it because that was fun. I do love throwing it. Let's see what we got. Me cago en la madre de esta. Every fucking time. I literally just fixed this yesterday. I don't think this is gonna work no more. Fucking sucks. I didn't even know I lost it. Oh hell no. Wait. What do you guys see it over there? Is that my lure? Is that? Got it. I love it. There you go. Just a little one. Just a little one. Shh, relax, homeboy. Whoa. Relax, homeboy. Relax. Ugh, ew. What are you doing? Ew. You just threw up on me. What were you eating? Some bugs. Ew. It's a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, it's a little bit bigger. Yep. Yes. Still not for the board. Shh. Relax. I don't think it's big enough for the board. No, anyways.
8 billion teams, and we never said anything about that. But when people are like, oh, what kind of guy would go to a team alone did that? And they won the battle in 83, but nobody said shit about it because...
Oh, yes. Alright, finally. You're going on the board. Come over here.
It seems like everything that happens in the NBA is brand new. We've never had this before. Guess what? We've had this thing. Cheers.
I would say to be able to
Nice.
answer your question though, Dave, I would rather
wait.
be Curry because I want there to be a team,
Ooh, got caught on the net.
a fan base that loves me.
Ah, sorry,
Is there
buddy.
a fan base that loves Kevin Durant?
Here we go.
I know, and that's exactly right. I mean, but it's sort of like if I were an 18-year-old
Come on, buddy.
blue chip running back, would I rather go to USC and be the next in a long lineage of great running backs, or would I rather go to Oregon State, where in my opinion, they
Relax.
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 And I will be the one and one for that program for the next 50 years. The latter is more appealing to me as well.
Can I just tell you about it? By the way, Moses is so good. Oh my god. Yeah, we should give a toast to Moses Malone. I mean, the baby's got a toast. Moses Malone.
17.
Yeah, he was amazing. You know who else is amazing? Kevin Durant.
Look at this guy. He's a pretty little fella. Jesus Christ, guy.
Esa nalga me aparece en Instagram en todos los ritos. Eres aniti en tu equipo.
Relax, papi.
Cuenta conmigo, cuenta con tal, tú quieres dir. Tengo
Fuck yeah. Fuck, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Oh man, he ran with it. Oh, he ran with it. Oh, this is hard. Relax, homeboy. Relax, homeboy. I got you. Oh, Jesus, guys, that was hard. Relax, homeboy. Man, he ran with that shit. Come on, boy. Get it up. Jesus Christ. There you go, buddy. Relax, homeboy. Nice. 18er. 17 and 3/4. Jesus Christ, come on. Fucker, no. Relax, homeboy, relax. Jesus Christ. Fucking photo, bro. Relax, homeboy. Poke me, bro. little one. God damn it, why does that always happen? Come here. What's that? A little pickerel. A little pickerel. Relax, homeboy. Oh my god, you're so tiny. The big one I caught this morning. Go. Oh yeah. Is that another pickerel? Yep. Is that the same one? Jesus Christ. Relax. Oh my goodness, you're slimy. Relax. I swear it's like the same one. The same fucking hook way. Relax. Get out of here. Go. Alright, so that was exciting.